Hello, in this tutorial we will talk about how to apply multiple filters in a single worksheet. So for example, if you have multiple tables in a worksheet, then how will you enable filters in all of these? So one approach is the classic one, which is to go to data and then auto filter, but then this auto filter will be applied only on the first table, and if you want to apply to this as well, then you will have to go to data again, and then if you click on auto filter, then it will go from there, and you will have to again go to data and then auto filter to enable the filter over here. But this is very clumsy and it can only happen to one single table in a worksheet. So what is the other way? So for that, first of all, we will just get rid of this filter, and then we will just select the table, and then we will go to insert, and over here we have this table. So click on it, and it will automatically select the area, and now we have the filters enabled. Likewise, select this area and go to insert and then go to table, and again the table will be selected, and this time we won't be selecting it and we will let it select it. So just go to table again, and it will automatically understand what is the table area, and accordingly it will apply the filters. Now if you want to just sort things out just to see if it is working at all, then yes, it is working. It's just that the wrapping has been done, so we will disable the wrapping. But as you can see, now this has gone into the decreasing mode, and likewise you can just filter this out as well, and likewise you can filter down in the descending order. And as we can see, now we are having three different tables and each of them have the filters enabled. So this is how you enable multiple filters in multiple tables in a single worksheet.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.